All right, hello friends. In this video, I'm going to show how to upload your course outline on Moodle using the page resource that our ODL office requires us to upload the course outline into. The course outline as well as the lecturer's um, photo and biographic and bio, the lecturer's photo and bio, and the course outline. So let me share my screen so that we can go to my composing process um, Moodle page. Just a second. Okay, great. So here we are in the composing process once again, and as we recall, and because I am going to add or make changes to the page, I'm going to remember to turn editing on. Good. And so to insert the course outline or upload the course outline, that goes on the Moodle page as a part of the first section of the course. And for us, it will be right below the theme photo if you're using a theme photo. And so this page resource here is what our ODL department requests, where they request that we make available our course outline. So students can just come here and click for the course outline and the lecturer's information. So then to do so, let's go into editing mode, edit setting, and then that will take us to the page. Scroll down past the description. You can add a description or a brief note for your students so that they can know, for example, to kindly scroll down for the course. Ah, no boy. Oh man. Let's start that up again. They want to start that up again. Yes. And then enjoy our evening walk. That's nice. Tell her talk for yourself, Cheryl. Enjoy. Okay, good. So as I was saying before, my friendly neighbors pass. A little note maybe you might want to leave in the description here that says scroll down for the course facilitators bios. Click on the photo. We'll see what that means right now. And the course outline. You click on the link below the coordinator's photo to access the course outline. So how do we do that? Okay, good. So then you scroll down to this section of the page to where you're going to see the space for the course coordinator, the label course coordinator. And right below that here is where we're going to insert the course coordinator's photo. That's your, and then type in the particulars, your name, the section of the course that you teach. For the course outline, the word download here, we're going to turn this into a link. We're going to link the course outline to this word download. We're going to make it more prominent, the word download, and then turn it into a link. And then you type in your email address, your mobile or WhatsApp number if you do make that available to your students, and then consultation hours, your campus, and so on. So just as an example, I can show you one of my colleagues' photos, and the photo is here, and the information is here. And in order to access her bio, in the regular course page, we're in the editing mode. So if I click on this, nothing will happen except that it will be highlighted. But you will see soon that when you're outside of this editing mode and you click on the lecturer's photo, it will it will lead to the lecturer's bio information. And that's one of the things that we're going to do right now. So let's start with the course coordinator. That's me for this course, the composing process. And so I situate my cursor right where I want to insert the photo. And so let's go ahead and do that. On the toolbar here, you select the upload button, the insert button for the image, and you do that. And then because the image is saved on my computer, I select browse repositories, and then I locate it where it is saved, and in this folder here with my other online teaching resources. What am I looking for? My photo. ¿Dónde está mi foto? Guess it's not here, but no worries. It's on my desktop. And it on the desktop. Okay. All right, there it is. Good, and I'm going to save the particular, save as profile photo. Favorite Kelly. Profile photo. The author of the photo is Edward Kelly. It's my photo. All rights reserved. And then you select upload this file. And then if you do not wish to put a description here, that's fine. But remember to click the box that says this image is decorative only. And then for your photo here in this page, the size that you want to type in here is 300. This 300 pixels is the 300. Okay, and then no need to type in the corresponding size here for the next dimension. Moodle is going to automatically resize the photo since the auto size box is clicked. Good, and so then we're pretty much done here. You say save image, and the image is right there. Good. And then we're going to insert the coordinator's bio, your bio, if you're the course coordinator. And instead of inserting the file, we're going to link it to here. It so happens that I already have it saved in my Google Drive. And I have it saved as a JPEG, but it can very well be a PDF or whatever other file, but advisable for visual appeal. It's a good idea to save it, to create a JPEG file, a photo file, online teaching resources. Here it is, images and quotes. And this is what I'm going to come for, bio and portrait. That's my bio and portrait. I'll come back for that in a little while. Well, let me show you what it looks like. Good. All right, so this was created in Microsoft Word and then converted to a JPEG, which is pretty neat. And I can show you how to do that in another video. If you're interested, I can show you how to do that. And so this is the bio on the side and then the photo. So we're going to come back here and link it. And to do that, again, you just highlight the photograph by giving it one click. And then in the tools bar, you have the link button. You have link and unlink. We want to press link. And then it asks you for the link URL, and that's what we're going to go for in the Google Drive. So you find the file in your Google Drive, you highlight it by clicking on it once, then you right click, and then you go to get shareable link, because that's what we're gonna go do. And then you check to make sure that the resource setting or accessibility is open enough. It's not restricted, that is. And so this says anyone with the link can view the file, and that's what you want. And so you copy the link, you say done, and then you go back to the Moodle page and you paste the link in the URL box. And then you have the option of allowing that when the user clicks on the resource, it opens in another window, which is a good thing, I think. So you select open in new window and then create link. And then that's what we have here. The photo is now linked to the bio. And when we have saved what we're doing here and we go back into the view mode, we're going to test it out and see if this indeed works as a link to the bio as well as a photo. Good. All right, so what have we done so far? We have inserted the coordinator's photo and linked it to the coordinator's bio. And so most importantly for this page, all this stuff that we've done so far is all cosmetic. but again, helpful for the students to, to have their lecturer's photograph more visible than up here. And so now the course outline will be linked right here. So beside the words course outline in this table here, below the the coordinator's info, the word download will direct the students to click on that link that we will create right now to view or download. Actually, let's turn this to view or download, so they can view or download the course outline. And we want this to be as prominent as possible, as visible as possible to the students so they do not overlook it. So let's make it boldface and a little bit bigger. So let's highlight it right there and boldface the whole thing because only a part. Okay, it's all boldface in bold now. And then let's see large, what large will look like. Okay, good. All right, very good. And once we turn this into a link, this will become purple and more visible to the students, right? Good. So then we're going to convert these words into a link to link the course outline. All right, so then you highlight it there and then you go back to the tools bar and you select link again. But first, let's go and get the link of the course outline from where the course outline is stored in the Google Drive. So let me go and find my course outline in my Google Drive. Course outlines, next subfolder 2021, and I'm looking for my composing process course outline. There it is. I highlight it. I right click on it, and I go to get shareable link. Good. And you notice that this is restricted, and so we want to change this so that it can be viewed by anyone with the link. And then you copy the link. Done. Say thank you, Mr. Google Drive. And then you go back and where you have view or download highlighted, you go ahead and now click on the link button and then you paste the link that you just copied from the Google Drive into that box, and then you allow for opening in a new window, create link, and ta-da! This is actually a link. I know that it's working because it's purple at this point, but the proof of the pudding is in the clicking from the viewer's page. So let us scroll on to the bottom. You save. Now you're done with everything that you need to do in that page. And then let's go and see how it all looks. Good. All right, so as a viewer, this is what your students are going to click on because it says click here for the course outline and facilitators or lecturers information. You click there, and Well, the most important thing for them is the course outline first and foremost. Who cares about your mug? Click or download the course outline, and there it is for them to view right here on the screen, or they might wish to download it and save it on their device by clicking the download button. Good. Cool. And then remember, this photo doubles as a link to your bio, to the bio. So let's see if that worked. And there we have it. All right, the lecturer's bio. And so cool. There you have it. The second video in the series showing how to insert the course outline and the lecturer's photo and bio, all for the convenience of our students. So thank you very much for joining this time around, and see you next time. Again, if you have any suggestions or ideas or questions, email me or leave them in the comments below the video. See you next time.